Hello my dear friends, welcome back to Learn Gujarati. I hope you guys are doing well. So let's start with our today's session. My dear friends, in today's session, we will learn some important phrases related to in-laws. And before start those sentences or phrases, we should understand some common relationship words. So let's start with husband side's in-laws. Some common relationship words. In that, the very first is father-in-law. Father-in-law. In Gujarati, we can say sasra or sasra ji. So here if you see ji word, when we add, it gives a more respect to that particular word. So like father-in-law means sasra, but when you add ji word, it gives more respect to that particular word. So either you can use sasra or sasra ji. For mother-in-law, sasu or sasu ji. For mother-in-law, sasu or sasu ji. For husband's elder brother, we can use jet or jet ji. Now I am not adding ji word for all relationship word. That is very easy for you to understand. Like when you want to give a respect for that particular word, you have to add word ji. Okay, so for husband's elder brother, we can say jet in Gujarati. For husband's younger brother, we can use devar. Husband's younger brother, we can use devar. And to give respect, we can say devar ji. For husband's elder brother's wife, we can say jethani. For husband's elder brother's wife, we can say jethani. And to give respect again, jethani ji. Husband sister, we can say nanand. Husband sister, we can say nananda. Okay, and to give respect, we can say nanand ji. For husband sister's husband, for husband sister's husband, we can say nanadoi. For husband sister, we can say nanand. And to husband sister's husband, we can say nanadoi. And to give respect, we can say nanadoi ji. Let's understand some relationship word at wife's side in-laws. In that, the very first, again, wife's father means father-in-law, we can say sasraji. So guys, if you observe, for father-in-law and for mother-in-law, very common. There is no much difference. There is no difference. You can straight away use sasra is for father-in-law and sasu is for mother-in-law. And when we add ji word, which gives respect to that particular word. Not for this relationship word. If you add ji word to particular person name as well, it gives more respect to that person. Like for example, my name is Nirav, and if someone says Nirav ji, so it gives me more respect than the word Nirav. Same way you can add ji word when you want to give respect to anyone's, especially in Gujarati, especially to any Indian people. It will be more effectful when you have conversation with someone, especially when you are going to have conversation with any lady Indian lady, Gujarati lady or any Indian lady. You can say Devi ji. So it gives more respect to that particular female. Devi ji is very popular word which you can use to give respect to that particular lady. Now, for wife's mother means mother-in-law. Again, same word, sasu ji. Sasu or sasu ji. Wife's brother means salo. Or maybe in respect you can say Sala Sahib. So here we are not using G word for that particular. So we can say Sala Sahib. This usually trend over here in Gujarati. When we having conversation with wife's brother, we can say Salo and Sala Sahib. Wife's sister, we can say Sali. Wife's sister, we can say Sali. Wife's sister husband, we can say Sadhu Bhai. Wife's sister's husband, we can say Sadhu Bhai. Alright guys, hope you're having some glimpse of those words. You can repeat this video a couple of times and you'll get idea. And still, if you have any doubt, you can comment in comment box. I'll get back to you anytime. Now let's have some basic greetings and respectful addresses to our in-laws. So the very first sentence over here is, how are you, father-in-law? So guys, as you know, the meaning of how are you is tame kem cho. How are you means tame kem cho, and after that you can add sasraji, papaji, pitaji, or you can straight away say papa, because in culture over here, after marriage, father-in-law and mother-in-law become papa and mummy. Straight away people having conversation with that word. So how are you, father-in-law? You can say tame kem cho papa or tame kem cho sasraji. For mother-in-law, tame kem cho sasuji or tame kem cho mummy. Like that you can use. How are you, mother-in-law? We can say tame kem cho mummy or tame kem cho sasuji. And when we having conversation in general, how are you all? We can say tame bada kem cho. For how are you all? We can say tame bada kem cho. The very next is bless me, father-in-law. When we are going to have a blessings from our father-in-law, we can say Papa mane ashirwad apo. Bless me means ashirwad apo. So here in Gujarati, blessings means ashirwad. Blessings means ashirwad. So we can say Papa mane ashirwad apo. Or for father-in-law we have word sasra. So sasraji mane ashirwad apo. Like that we can use. The very next is bless me, mother-in-law. So bless me means ashirwad apo. That we know. And again for mother-in-law, as we know, sasuji or mummy you can use straight away. So for this sentence, bless me, mother-in-law is equals mummy mane ashirwad apo. Mummy mane ashirwad apo. Or sasuji mane ashirwad apo. Here I have added some common sentences which we use usually with our relatives. Did you eat? Su tame jamyu? Or tame jamyu? Did you eat? He can say tame jamyu. The very next is I respect you a lot. I respect you a lot. We can say હું તમારો ખૂબ આદર કરું છું. I respect you a lot is equals હું તમારો ખૂબ આદર કરું છું. So here if you see, respect is equals adar. Respect is equals adar. And for a lot means khub. A lot is equals khub. So the complete sentence will be હું તમારો ખૂબ આદર કરું છું. I respect you a lot is equals હું તમારો ખૂબ આદર કરું છું. Here I means હું and for you is equals તમારો. I means હું and you means તમારો. So the complete sentence will be હું તમારો ખૂબ આદર કરું છું. The very next sentence is thank you for your love and care is equals તમારા પ્રેમ અને કાળજી બદલ આભાર. તમારા પ્રેમ અને કાળજી બદલ આભાર. So in this sentence love and care is equals પ્રેમ અને કાળજી. In this sentence love and care is equals પ્રેમ અને કાળજી. And as we all know, thank you is equals આભાર. Thank you is equals આભાર. And in this sentence, if you see, we have used word your. So your is equals tamara. Your is equals tamara. So the complete sentence become tamara prem. Prem is equals love. Tamara prem ane and is equals ane. Kalji. Care is equals kalji. Badal આભાર. For is equals badal over here. And thank you, as you all know, આભાર. Hope you guys understand this very well. So the complete sentence for thank you for your love and care is equals તમારા પ્રેમ અને કાળજી બદલ આભાર. The very next sentence is you are like my parents. તમે મારા માતા પિતા સમાન છો. You are like my parents is equals તમે મારા માતા પિતા સમાન છો. So in this sentence parents is equals માતા પિતા. In Gujarati for parents we use mata pita. So mother is equals mata and father is equals pita. So the complete sentence will be તમે મારા માતા પિતા સમાન છો. So this is another sentence which we use for giving respect to our parents and respect to our in-laws, saying you are like my parents. We can say તમે મારા માતા પિતા સમાન છો. Alright guys, now to wish birthday or anniversary we have some conversation over here. Let's start with very first, which is wishing you a happy anniversary is equals તમને લગ્નની વર્ષગાંઠની શુભેચ્છા. So in this sentence marriage is equals લગ્ન. Marriage is equals લગ્ન. Okay, and anniversary means વર્ષગાંઠ and best wishes is equals શુભેચ્છા. So the complete sentence will be તમને લગ્નની વર્ષગાંઠની શુભેચ્છા. શુભેચ્છા means best wishes. I mean best wishes is equals શુભેચ્છા. And for anniversary we can say વર્ષગાંઠ. For anniversary we can say વર્ષગાંઠ in Gujarati. And for marriage we are using lagna. For marriage we are using lagna. So the complete sentence will be તમને લગ્નની વર્ષગાંઠની શુભેચ્છા. Alright. Now to birthday wishes we can say happy birthday mother-in-law is equals સાસુજી જન્મદિવસની શુભેચ્છાઓ. As we know mother-in-law is equals સાસુજી or મમ્મીજી. Okay, for mother-in-law we can say સાસુજી or મમ્મીજી. And for happy birthday we can say જન્મદિવસની શુભેચ્છાઓ. Okay, now as you know best wishes is equals શુભેચ્છાઓ in Gujarati. Best wishes is equals શુભેચ્છાઓ in Gujarati. So the complete sentence will be સાસુજી તમને જન્મદિવસની શુભેચ્છાઓ or મમ્મીજી તમને જન્મદિવસની શુભેચ્છાઓ. This way you can give greetings to your mother-in-law. Okay. Same way for father-in-law. Instead of Sasuji, you can say Sasurji. Happy birthday father-in-law is equals Sasurji તમને જન્મદિવસની શુભેચ્છાઓ or Sasurji જન્મદિવસની શુભેચ્છાઓ. The very next sentence is may you always be happy and healthy is equals તમે હંમેશા ખુશ અને સ્વસ્થ રહો. May you always be happy and healthy is equals તમે હંમેશા ખુશ અને સ્વસ્થ રહો. So in this sentence, always is equals હંમેશા. Always is equals હંમેશા. And for happy and healthy, we can use ખુશ અને સ્વસ્થ. Happy is equals ખુશ and healthy is equals સ્વસ્થ. Okay, so the complete sentence will be તમે હંમેશા ખુશ અને સ્વસ્થ રહો. Alright, I am repeating, may you always be happy and healthy. In Gujarati, તમે હંમેશા ખુશ અને સ્વસ્થ રહો. જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ and thank you so much for watching my video. Dear friends, subscribe my YouTube channel to get more videos. Also, if you have any feedback or suggestion, you can drop your comments in comment box. I really appreciate it. Thank you again and Jai Shri Krishna.